Take a ride in the 2024 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.